This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Change org with the account you want removed. Once signed in, check the account email and download any petition data or receipts you need. Deletion is permanent. Make sure to unlink Google or Facebook logins first so you retain access to other services. If you can't sign in, use the password reset immediately. Otherwise, you cannot proceed. Now go to your profile menu and open Account Settings to begin the deletion process. Once in Account Settings, navigate to the Privacy or Security section where Account Closure lives. You'll see a Delete Account or Close Account link. Click it to start. The site will prompt you to confirm identity, often by password re-entry or email verification. This is to prevent accidental deletions. Follow each on-screen prompt carefully, reading warnings about losing petition history and saved data. When asked, confirm that you understand deletion is irreversible. You finish by confirming the deletion through the email change. Org sends, click that final link to complete the process. Make sure you do this within any stated time frame, and then allow 24 to 72 hours for the platform to process the removal, log out, and clear browser cookies to avoid cached sessions. If something goes wrong, don't panic, contact Change org support with your account ID and a screenshot of errors, and follow up until the deletion is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.